Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply duet on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all simply access your particular TikTok app on your phone, and right over here simply go ahead, access it, and sign in with the account as well. Right afterwards you will find plenty of accounts right over there in the home section. So let's say if you have a one video you would like to duet with or either user, all you gotta do is tap on this share icon in the bottom of their video, and then you will find this little icon of Duet. So now you can see this particular user does not allow us to duet their video, so because they have turned off while uploading, so they don't allow, so we won't be able to do it with them. So let's go ahead, access other user. So for this user we're going to tap on the share icon again in the bottom, and now you can see this particular user allows the duet. Now we're going to tap on this duet option, and this, once the loading is done, we will be able to film a video in the same music and duet with the user, and you can upload it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.